Forget buying an expensive gift this Valentine's Day and give your sweetheart an old school love note.
Oh, cute. Liz Ortiz is live at East Village Bookshop with a look at their lovely typewriter,
Can
kids.
you type still?
It's a typewriter.
We're about to find out. Yes, you guys, look at this. This is actually typed on this
Wait,
piece
it's
of
so
paper.
small.
How cute is that?
The font
It's so
is kind of small.
I know, I would read it to you, but my glasses aren't just quite on yet. We're at East Village Bookstore here in East Sacramento. I just love this spot, you guys, because they have all kinds of fun books, new books for kids, adults, and of course they've got the little popsicle machine and pop over there as well. Fresh flowers every Friday. They do fun movement and story time for the kiddos. I mean, it is just the cutest little neighborhood bookstore. And now they have a typewriter. I've got Allie with Miss Allie. Have people been asking, what is that?
Yes, everyone's been asking. Mostly the younger children have been asking,
yes.
so I've been tutorialing them and just helping them write out little notes for their parents.
Yes, so cute. So you guys came up with this idea, like what a fun way to have people write notes for Valentine's Day.
Yes, absolutely fun. The owner really wanted to make it an inclusive space for just everyone to hang out, but also write little notes to their loved ones or maybe their girlfriends or boyfriends or whoever's in town and just let them know we're thinking of them.
I love it. So they've got some examples. I love this too because not only do they here are my glasses, do they have regular paper, but they have the really nice paper too. So
300 GMS.
oh, nice. Okay, that's the good stuff. And now you don't have to be perfect. You can be good. John Steinbeck. How about this? All the modern things like cars and such have always existed. They've just been waiting in a mountain for the right moment. So you want to write something? Should we write a letter?
Yes, let's do
Okay,
it.
let's do it. Okay. Remember, there's no delete, and I don't have whiteout.
Hold your mic.
Yeah. I'll be good. I'll be good. Okay.
Hello, good day, Sacramento.
Tina, are you there? Let's write something here. Should we write up something fun?
Is it for Steve?
Okay, let's see. Sure, let's write it to Steve.
Oh,
I'm
do you
sure
want to
he'll
do a
love it.
haiku?
Dear.
No, I can't think that fast.
You can't think that, okay.
Dear.
I gotta press hard. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, this is going to be like
Oh,
all
wait, and
day.
it's red. Okay.
Press keys
Now,
one at
how
a
do I-
time
oh,
and
space.
press hard.
Yes, you really do. Okay, do I do
so
shift
funny.
to do a capital?
No, you could just,
Oh.
it's all.
Oh, it's all, okay.
Yes.
Okay. He's Steve with a V, not PH. He always tells me that. This is my husband.
Let me see what you write already.
No. Okay, I wrote Dear Steve. Okay, and then how do I
Okay, next
return?
line.
Right here.
Next line.
Oh, there's no
someone
return button. I
forgot.
gotta go back.
Yes, there you go.
This is hilarious.
Okay, right. Be mine, be mine. Be mine.
Oh, wait, hold
Faster.
on, we need to, hold on, we gotta, hold on, we have to adjust.
It's a little more complicated than it looks.
Mine,
Right?
comma, be mine.
Oh,
Okay, that's all right.
mine.
No backspacing.
There's no backspacing.
Okay, next line.
Okay. Oh, the E. There's,
Here we go. One more E.
oh, one more E. Hold on. Oh man.
That should be done any time now.
You know what? I'll write that in. Oh
wait,
my
I gotta
gosh,
give you the
hilarious.
next line.
Allie, this is gonna be here. Hold on. All right, text it to me. Allie, this is gonna be here through Valentine's Day.
Yes, all throughout Valentine's Day and the rest of the year. We just want people typing in here.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that, you guys?
so
Right from the
cute.
kiddos. A letter from the kiddos would be so fun. Right here, East Village Bookstore in East Sac. Back
It
to
was
you.
supposed to be mine, be mine. I love you, honey, so now take me out for wine.
I love it. I love it. So
There you
cute.
go.
Let me finish that.
Thanks, Ew. Okay, we'll let you finish. All right, reader's on.
It'll be done by 5.